tea with honey and lemon, and a lot of peppers here. Why? Hello guys, I'm sick. I have a cold, coughing, sneezing. That's why I have a tea with honey and lemon. I hope it helps. You see my voice as well, like that. Of course, I'm not going out. I have to be home, take care of myself. And I was thinking I'm not give up with the videos, even when I'm sick. I'm gonna take a video. What I'm gonna do at home. Of course, cooking, vegan cooking. Follow me, guys. Soup is very good for you, especially when you have a cold. Cabbage, potatoes, and I have vegan bacon here, and mushrooms. Bacon, see? Coriander and vegan flora butter and fresh coriander. Yummy, good for you, especially when you have a cold. Just a little bit. Still in the bed. I did eat soup. I did not have a really appetite, but I did it. And now it's 13:47. Still in the bed. Coughing a lot. Don't want to cough in front of the camera. So, but later I'm gonna cook a little bit. I'm thinking the same food as I did yesterday. Quinoa. With quinoa, it was so great, so tasty, and a little bit fried vegetables. It's enough for vegan. Still in the bed, take it easy. Drinking tea helps a lot. I want to say as well that I try not to take any medicine, just natural things as usual. Eating natural, simple vegan food, and using coconut oil to all body to my face. That's why I don't take any medicines. Very rare. Probably if I have headache, I can take Ipren. So that's what I want to say. I know it's boring video, but nothing I can do. This is life. I try my best to recover, get well, because we are going out this Saturday with friends to Bishop Sams. We book a table to have it supper there. So I'm still in front of TV. In the bed, just by myself. Okay. So much soup left. I don't think I'm capable to eat anymore, and somehow I don't like it. So I'm gonna cook later something else. So again, I'm gonna have a tea. This tea I used to drink, Earl Grey tea, organic, and this is honey. Organic, I love it. And my lemon. Water is cooking. Water is boiled. And leave this for 5 minutes, and I'm gonna add honey and lemon. And I'm sure that many people, I don't know, many people, some people have a cold. It's not strange at this winter. So it's not just me. I don't feel sorry for me. I just trying my best, and I hope Saturday I'm going out, because I love to go out. I love to drink. I enjoy music. I enjoy to see people. What else we need in life? Well, somebody have other things to do, but I like to go out. To cook, I'm started from white quinoa. I like quinoa, it's so tasty. And the boiled water. I measure with my eyes, guys, like this. And I love to put some salt as well. It's not so easy. So it's enough. Low heat. Let's this cook. And I'm gonna use those tomatoes because they're getting soft. I don't want wasting my food. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cook there, slightly cooked. And then I'm gonna put this in the cold water and take off skin. And you know, it's nice, tasty. I love tomatoes to your dish. Boiled water, and I'm gonna put there those 3 tomatoes to cook, like that. Just for 1 minute. And I'm thinking to put quinoa, red quinoa, organic, little bit of this, because it's too much water, and I think it's nice add red quinoa like this. Healthy, so use more. Like that. It's enough to cook. And I pour the cold water because I want to take skin off. It was easy to take off the skin from tomatoes. And plastic to cover this and keep this to eat cold. later. Half of broccoli and half of red pepper, 1 garlic, and I'm gonna steak on flora, plant-based flora, and coriander I'm gonna have, and of course I'm gonna have garlic. Quinoa is good. Warming up. Salt. It's so difficult. And garlic powder. And fried. Now and coriander on top, like this. I'll leave this to cool down. I'm still not hungry. I'm gonna eat later. I'm gonna cover this. Leave this veggie and quinoa. How to pronounce quinoa or quinoa? Quinoa, probably. Soup I won't eat. I didn't like it. Wasting my food. I did say I don't waste my food. This is my supper. You see tomato, I cut it, cooked tomato without skin, and quinoa and some veggie. So I have plenty for tomorrow or after tomorrow. I'll invite John for that. Thank you for watching this video. Wish me get well. And see you soon, guys. Thank you. Bye.